Welcome children. Subject English, day 11. So I think everyone is doing well. So today's topic is question tags. Question tags. You all know what already you all learnt in your 8th standard. What is question? Question tag is nothing but a short form of asking question or short form of asking questions and writing questions. See, questions tags. So definition you have to learn, no? So because there is no need of writing definition, but you have to know when you are going to search for that what is question tags, you have to know, no? So question tags are short form at the end of statements. So at the end of the statement in sentences, is it question tags will come. This is in the short form we will write. They are mainly used in speech where we want to confirm something or we want to find out if something is true or not. Understood? So what is question tag? Question tag are the short form of writing at the end of statement. So we have to confirm is it correct or not. See, it is not dog. So it is not a dog. It is not a dog. So what the question tag is it? By seeing auxiliary verb. So is the auxiliary verb here. Is not a dog. Is it? That is it is the question tag. They are cats. So which one you have to take? Are. Are is the auxiliary. So they is what? Plural. You know the number of cats are there. So that's why aren't they? Aren't they? See, question tags are formed with the auxiliary or modal verb. So auxiliary verb is, was, or, were, isn't it? Modal verbs are can, could, may, might, shall, should. All these are the modal verbs. You know already all these things, isn't it? So here what you have to use for to form the question tags? You have to use auxiliary. Auxiliary is, was, are, were, isn't it? So modal verbs are, which are the modal verbs are? Modal verbs are can, could, shall, should, may, might, isn't it? So these are the modal verbs. So to form this one, you have to use this one. See, Karin is learning to drive. Karin is learning to drive. So Karin, you can't write isn't Karin. You have to write Karin is what? That is a girl name. So that is why, where is the auxiliary verb? Is. So isn't she? Isn't she? Karin. She is who? Karin. Is what? Is what? Auxiliary verb. Mark cannot ride a horse. Mark is what? Is a boy. So that is why you can't write can Mark. So you have to write what? You have to write can he. Can he is the question. Mark cannot ride a horse. Can he? Understood children? So what is question tags? Question tags are the short form of writing at the end of the statements. Okay, so why ma'am here? Isn't it is there and then can he is there. In the question is there, then you have used not. Can't is there means you use it can. See, here we use a negative question tag. We use negative question tag after a positive sentence. For a positive sentence, we'll use negative question tag. So negative means not you have to use. Isn't it? Not you have to use. See, for which one you have to use negative? If the statement, if the sentence is positive. If the sentence is positive, you have to use what? Negative question tag. Understood children? Kate will be here soon. So which is the modal verb here? Will. Isn't it? Kate is a girl. So will is there. So what do you have to write? The sentence is positive. The sentence is positive. So the method is you have to see if it is not there in Willant is not there. So it is Will is there, that is a positive sentence, isn't it? So, what? Kate will be here soon. So, won't she? That is the question tag. Statement is positive. So, that is why question tag is negative. Isn't it? Statement is positive. Question tag is what? Negative. There was a lot of traffic. Was is what? Auxiliary verb. Was is what? Auxiliary verb. There was a lot of traffic. What is the question tag? Wasn't there. Wasn't there. Isn't it? Wasn't there. Michael should pass the exam. So, which is the modal verb here? Should. Should is the modal verb. So, is it a positive sentence or negative sentence? Positive. Should is there. Should. Not is there. Not is not absent. So, that is why question tag should be what? Negative. So, Michael should pass the exam. What is the question tag? Shouldn't he? So, you understood from these examples that if the sentence, if the statement is positive, you have to write the negative question tag. So, when you have to write the positive question tag, see below here it is there. We use a positive question tag after a negative sentence. If the sentence is positive, what you have to write? Question tag to be negative. There what you have? If the statement is positive, you wrote negative question tag. Here the sentence is negative, but you are writing positive question tag. The same you can see here. Kate won't be late. Kate won't be late. So, what you have written? Will she. Will she is what? Positive question tag. Isn't it? Will she. They don't like us. They don't like us. Do they? They don't like us. Do they? You haven't got a car. Have you? Isn't it? You haven't got a car. Have you? Understood, children? Want to explain once again. See, statement is positive. Question tag is negative. That is in the first. So, if the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. Understood, children? So, next is, see, when the verb of a sentence is in the present or past simple. Already you have learned the tenses, isn't it? When the verb of the sentence is in the present or past simple, we form the question tag with do, does or did and the subject pronoun. Subject pronoun. Not understood? See, when the verb of the sentence. So, by seeing the present verb only we can say, no, is it in a present form or past form or future form? Isn't it? By seeing that, what verb of the sentence, we frame the question tag with do, does or did. The subject pronoun. Subject. So, already Kate. Kate is what? Noun. So, that we have changed into pronoun. What we have done? She or he we have. Here, John does not like golf. John does not like golf. See, what is? John is what? Is a noun. That we have changed into what? Pronoun. He. So, does is already is given. So, no need to scratch our head. So, this is the negative sentence. Which one you have to write the question tag? Positive. So, that is why what we have written? Does he. They left for Milan. They left for Milan. See, left. So, that is the V2 form. Isn't it? Left is the V2 form. See how? See, leave, left. L-E-A-V-E, leave, left. So, you have to do, did. Isn't it? Do, did, does. So, that's why here the left is the V2 form. You have to use what? What we have to do? Did. Do is the V1. Did is the V2. And V3 is the does. Sorry. Done. Do, did, done. Isn't it? So, they left for Milan. So, that's why left is what in the which V2 form. So, that's why we can't write what? left they. We can't write. So what we have to? Didn't they. Isn't it? So, when the sentence contains a word with a negative meaning like, so sometimes what happens? Negative meaning like never, hardly, seldom or rarely. This is the negative meaning. Sentence is not negative but the meaning is negative. The question tag is positive. Like if it is not is not, if it is did not, do not, was not, has not, is not there also. If the word like this, which like never, hardly, seldom or rarely, the question tag is positive. They hardly ever go to the theater. Do they? Ever. See there, ever. First one only. So that's why do they. He never plays tennis. So for do, did, done, does, isn't it? So plays means does. He never plays tennis. Does he? So whenever these words, which words? Never, hardly, seldom or rarely, then the question tag will be always positive. Which words if it is present? Never, hardly, seldom or rarely, the question tag is positive. So you should not write don't they. You have to write do they. Doesn't he? No, you should not write. You have to write does he. So next, some verbs expression form question tags differently. If it is am is there, you should not write amn't I. You have to write aren't I. Keep in your mind, never forget. If I am is there, you have to write aren't I. Okay. If it is I am is there, what you have to write? Aren't I. I am thin. You have to write am and thin? No. Aren't I. Isn't it? So, imperative sentence. You all know will, won't you. So, stop talking, will, won't you. Imperative sentence means what you have to use? Will or won't. Isn't it? Don't will change into will you. Don't talk, will you. Let's, shall we. Let's go out, shall we go out. So short form you have to write, no need to write go out, shall we. So let's is there means what you have to use? Shall we. I have, haven't I possesses. She has got a bike. She has got a bike. She has not, hasn't she. She has got a bike. You should not write hasn't she. I have, don't I, other meaning. You have lunch at 3 o'clock. You have lunch at 3 o'clock. Don't you. Have come means what you have to write? Do. Isn't it? There is or there are. Isn't or aren't. There is means isn't. There are means aren't there. There is an envelope on that desk. There is an envelope. Isn't there. This, that is means isn't it. This is palm shirt. Isn't it. So go through one side. You have to keep in your mind whenever if it is I am, you have to use the aren't I. I am is the what? Positive sentence. So you have to write I am thin. Aren't I? Isn't it? So next slide. Anything, nothing, everything, something, you have to use it. So already you have learned hardly, never, seldom. For that you have to write always positive only. So even though it gives the meaning of negative. Here if it is anything, nothing, everything, something is there, you have to use it. Isn't it? So somebody, someone, everyone, everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, you have to use they. Anything, nothing, everything, something is there means what you have to write? It. You have to write it. It is it, isn't it, like that you have to write. Somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, you have to write they. Because it says about some group, number, isn't it? So that's why you have to write they are not, isn't it? They aren't, they are not, like that you have to write. So keep all these rules in your mind. Don't forget, children. So it will be very difficult. It's very easy, especially 10th 1 mark question. It is definitely, you can go through all the question papers. You will get this question tag. It's very easy. Easily you can score 1 mark without any difficulty. So that's why simple rules are there. You simply learn this one. Okay. Next. See here some examples are there. I like wearing colorful costume. I like is what? V1 form. So that's why don't I. She went to cinema last week. She went. Do, did. What? Why? How come? Go, went. You have to see that. Went is the verb form. So go is a V1 form. Went is the V2 form. That's why didn't she. I have to wear uniform in the school. Have already learned. Don't I. Sheila has not written any novels, has she? Because why we have written has she? Because this is negative sentence, so that's why positive. Kubra can't play football. Well, why? Sir, negative is there. Can she? I am from Mersin. I am from. Already I told you. So don't forget. What you have to use here? Aren't I? I am not from Merlin. Am I? Here the negative is there. Positive. Isn't it? Duke is going to read her English story book next weekend. So is and she. There is a tape recorder on the table, isn't there? This is a worksheet, isn't it? Don't give me advice, will you? So that's all you have to see, then only you'll learn. Give an example, please. Will you? Sit down. Will you? Let's go to party. Let's shall we? Let's play a game. Shall we? Somebody is at the door. Aren't they? Everybody is thinking about the quiz. Aren't they? Nobody called me yesterday. You have to use for all this. They only know. Did they? Called. Everything was done to save the rain forest. Won't it? Sultan never drinks beer, does she? My mother rarely goes out with her friend. Goes is there, you have to write. Does she? Julia has never been to Paris. Has she? My friend seldom has an argument with somebody. Does she? So for you, homework is there. Try yourself and submit to the group, children. See here, put a question tag at the end of each sentences. Okay, children. And then we'll see you in the next class. And then until then, we'll say goodbye.